precursors of mega earthquakes by Professor Elchin Khalilov and Professor Min. Our research based on the work of Global Network for the Forecasting of Earthquakes. This map shows the global network structure. Global network included station for the forecasting of earthquakes. The Atropatene station for the forecasting of earthquakes registers three-dimensional variations of the gravitational fields. This is new parameter, new physical parameters. This delta G, this is gravitational constant, minus G factical, G measured. Our equipment manufacturing in our institute for the forecasting of earthquake. This is Atropatene station, new model in 2011. This is structure of our station. For a short, I speak that this station included two Cavendish balance. Cavendish balance, this is equipment for the measurement of gravitational constant. Two Cavendish balance included in this body with deep vacuum, and these detectors, two detectors, registered three-dimensional values of gravity. This detector register is tectonic waves. Tectonic waves, mechanical waves, but different from seismic waves. The first theory of tectonic waves developed scientists from the United States, Professor Elchin in 1969, and Professor Lechner in 1981, Professor Kelborg, and other famous scientists. This table included parameter earthquakes in Japan from 90 to 22 March 2011. This Tohoku earthquake. This is main earthquake, first shock, and two aftershocks. This map shows epicenter of Tohoku earthquake. This is registered of Atropatene station, gravitogram. This is new term, gravitogram, our term. As we see, this for the first channel, but we have three channels. This is first channel. As we see, from 5th to 8 March 2011, registered three strong gravitational anomalies. This is precursors. After this moment, registered straight line, and after this, registered three secondary anomaly, gravitational anomaly. We see that from 18 to 22 March 2011, straight line, and between precursors and secondary anomaly occurs three earthquakes, main, foreshock, and aftershock. Between precursors anomaly and secondary anomaly, registered straight line. Is second example too. Between precursors and secondary anomaly, registered straight line. During this period occur earthquake. This table includes earthquake parameter in Sumatra, April 6, 2010, with magnitude 7.8 and strong aftershock. This is main earthquake and three aftershocks. This map shows epicenter of Sumatra earthquake and gravitogram. As we see on this gravitogram from 20 March till 29 March 2010, registered straight line, and from this moment registered 4 strong gravitational anomaly. And after 3rd April 2010 till 10 April 2010, registered straight line, and after this registered 2 secondary anomalies. As we see, as previous example, similar previous example, first registered gravitational precursors. After earthquake, registered secondary anomaly. Between secondary anomaly and precursors, registered straight line. As we see on this gravitogram, 4 strong gravitational anomaly. And as we see, this is 4 strong earthquake. Main earthquake first and 3 aftershocks. This table included earthquake parameters in Samoa Islands with magnitude 8.1, September 29, 2009, and strong aftershock. This is main earthquake and 3 aftershocks, strong aftershocks. This map shows epicenter of Samoa earthquake and gravitogram. As we see on this gravitogram, from 8 till 12 September 2009, registered 2-part straight line. From this moment, registered 5 strong gravitational anomaly, and after this straight line till 30 September 2009, and from this moment registered 5 secondary anomaly. As we see, between precursors and secondary anomaly registered straight line. During this period occurred 5 earthquakes. First main earthquake and 4 aftershocks. This graph similar with previous example. All this graph registered at Atapatena station in Indonesia, Yogyakarta city. This table includes parameter in Andaman Islands, earthquake Andaman Islands with magnitude 7.5, August 10, 2009, and strong aftershocks. First, this is main earthquake and 3 aftershocks. As we see, this map shows epicenter of Andaman earthquake and gravitogram for the first channel. As we see, first registered from 1st to 6 August 2009, straight line, that was this moment registered 4 strong gravitational anomaly. After 9 August, registered 3-part straight line, and after this moment registered 3 secondary anomaly. As we see, between precursors and secondary anomaly registered straight lines. During this period occurred 4 strong earthquakes, first main earthquake and 3 aftershocks. This graph similar with previous example. Earthquakes parameter in Suchian. Please attention, this is very important for our conference. This is first main earthquake and 6 aftershocks. This map shows earthquake, epicenter of the earthquake, epicenter zone. This gravitogram, as we see, this first channel. On this gravitogram, as we see, registered 7 strong gravitational anomaly from 24 April till 1st May 2008. As with this moment registered 2-part straight line, and from 11 May 2008 registered certain from 11 till certain registered strong secondary anomaly. Between precursors and secondary anomaly registered straight line, two-part straight line. During this period occur 5 strong earthquakes, and as we see after this registered occur 2 earthquakes, and for this earthquake precursors this precursors for this 2 earthquakes. As we see, this gravitogram similar with previous examples. Sichuan earthquake, this gravitogram registered at a Patena station which included installed in Baku city, Azerbaijan. As we see, this locate our station, Atropatena station, Sichuan earthquake. As we see, between station and epicenter of Sichuan earthquake, very big distance for 1,850 kilometers. This model shows tectonic wave generation. This is not new term, but for the geophysics seismologists, this is new term. As we see, first picture demonstrate moment of accumulation tectonic energy in giant fissure. First picture demonstrate period of plastic deformation. In this period, from epicenter of earthquakes emit tectonic waves. This main model. And third picture demonstrate the moment of destroy, rupture, and emit seismic waves. This graph showing the dependence of the value of deformation of the rocks from the ground of mechanical stress. As example, as we see this 3 graph for quartzite, hornets, and marbles. On this graph, we see first part of this graph, AB1, AB2, and AB3. This is a moment of a period of elastic deformation. This is zone of elastic deformation. B1, C1, B2, C2, and B3. T3, this zone, this period of plastic deformation. This moment, in this period, from epicenter of earthquake, emit tectonic wave. Our station registered tectonic wave when a tectonic wave passed under our station. And third part is this moment of earthquake. On basis model, this graph showing the dependence of the value of the formation of the earth layers from the growth of mechanical stresses. As we see, this mechanism of emit of tectonic waves, this graph have included 4 parts. First part, accumulate of tectonic stress. First part, this is period of elastic deformation. Third, plastic deformation zone. This moment emit from earthquake epicenter tectonic waves. And fourth, this is moment of destruction of rocks. This standard model of gravitation recording, as we see on our examples, record before, during, and after the earthquakes. As we see, this model demonstrates before earthquakes registered gravitational precursors, after earthquake registered secondary gravitational anomaly, between precursors and secondary anomaly registered straight line, and this period occurs earthquake, foreshock, and aftershock. Main conclusion that using the network of Atropatena's earthquake prediction station, there is possibility the forecast place, time, force, and number of earthquakes 3-10 days before the earthquake. This is main conclusion. Thank you.